San Diego International Airport is a modern-day success story. Close-in convenience, high customer satisfaction, safe and efficient. Your international airport. But how does your airport evolve? From this, to this, to this. The reality is, we're constantly improving. The Terminal 2 expansion, opened in 2013, added 10 new gates, a dual-level roadway with curbside check-in, more security lanes, more and better dining and shopping options, and needed airfield improvements. We added a new general aviation complex and on-airport roadways. And we opened a new rental car center in 2016. Now we need to address Terminal 1. These improvements are big investments. The Terminal 2 expansion cost $812 million. The rental car center cost about $316 million. On-airport roadways cost about $20 million. Not to mention the future cost of replacing Terminal 1. These improvements are needed to serve our customer, air travelers, the airlines, restaurants and shops, and the community that relies on us. Your airport serves the region's major industries: defense, tourism, technology, and innovation. These improvements benefit air travelers with new gates, new eats, more parking, more shopping, better check-in, more plug-ins. So who pays the big bucks to keep modernizing your airport? Not federal tax dollars. Less and less from the Federal Aviation Administration. Not local taxpayers. Who then? We do. We earn it so we can reinvest it right here. We don't make a profit. We make a better airport. How do we earn it? Revenues from airlines, air travelers, and shops and restaurants. Every airline fee paid and every purchase made, landings to lattes, and tickets to trinkets, and parking to paninis, it all adds up and lets us keep improving, investing for the future, making your airport even better. It's what we do for you. Happy travels. Learn more at www.san.org.